In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Microsoft Outlook account. By the end, you'll have a brand new email address and access to Microsoft's services, all set up the right way. First, open your web browser and go to Outlook.com. Type it directly into the address bar to make sure you are on the official site, and look for the secure lock icon next to the URL. When the page loads, click the Create Free Account button to start. This takes you into the sign-up flow where you'll choose your new email. Now, pick your email address. Enter the username you want, then choose your domain, either fayoutlook.com or fayhotmail.com. Functionally, both work the same, it's really about your preference. If the name you want is already taken, try small tweaks like adding a middle initial, a short word, or a simple number that you'll remember. Aim for something clean and professional. Avoid including sensitive personal details to keep your address both secure and future-proof. Next, create your password. Make it strong, at least 8 characters and a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Stay away from common words or anything easy to guess. A short phrase with intentional substitutions can be memorable and secure. If you use a password manager, this is a great time to save it so you won't lose access later. You'll then be asked for your personal details, first name, last name, country or region, and birth date. Provide accurate information as it helps with account personalization and is needed. Account recovery. This information also helps Microsoft set the right language and regional settings for your inbox. To keep the platform secure, you'll be asked to verify you are human. Usually with a quick puzzle like rotating a piece into place. Take your time, follow the prompts, and if it doesn't register on the first try, simply retry or use the refresh option. Finally, click through the remaining prompts. You may be asked if you want to stay signed in. Choose yes on a personal device for convenience, or no on a shared or public device to protect your privacy. Once that's done, your new inbox will load. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout, and if you see optional setup screens like choosing a theme, you can pick what you like or skip and adjust later in settings. That's it, your Microsoft Outlook account is ready to use. Compose a test email to confirm everything's working and you are good to go. Thanks for watching.